So now let's see how we can work with audio points inside of Camtasia. So to work with audio points, I'm going to bring in footers from my library right here. And this is the starting of the TutorTube YouTube channel. So if I were to press play, you can see that the audio plays out really loud over here, just like this. So now what I can do is I can control out the points. So there's like a hit right there. Boom, just like that. So what I can do is work around with the audio to manage that out using the audio points. So one of the ways to control audio is to go on to the audio properties from the properties panel, and you can work along with the gain right here. You can also alternatively work along with these points just like this right here. But what you have right here is you can work around with the audio points in the line. So what you can do is you can double click and you can see that a point has been added in. I can also right click right here and then add an audio point just like this. So what this audio point allows me to do is control volume level of the clip in different instances. For example, I can go around, bring this out, and you can see it graphically how it changes out. So now I can actually do this. And let's say now what I will have is I will really have a low volume starting out and it'll go louder. So you can see that that is how it affects. You can also go around and work around with it just like this. And now I'm just going to bring down the audio point and play this around. And the audio gradually goes up, as you can see. So just like that, you can add multiple audio points right here, bring something up, bring something down right here, and work around with the volume for the clip in different ranges. This is something you can do as well. You can do a selection range just like this and bring down the audio clip. And what that does is it adds in an audio point just like that so that you can really bring down the volume of a particular section just like that immediately. Of course, you can go around and work around with the audio points just like that as well. So let's say you want to mute out something immediately, then you can just use this technique to mute something out. And that is how you can work around with audio points. You can also delete this audio point or remove all the audio points. So you want to delete a specific audio point, you can just go over here and hit the delete key or right click and hit delete. You want to remove all the audio points that you've used, right click and click on remove all audio points, and all the audio points will be gone so that you can start working out with it again. So that is how you can work with the audio points and remove audio points inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.